So I am not sure why everybody doesn't do this when they're building a Naked GoPro. I just built this Naked GoPro 12, and what I did was I included the front microphone, and I put it right underneath where these gaps are in the case so that my voice could carry through. It doesn't listen as well as the original GoPro, which has two microphones, but I just take this little microphone right out of the cage that's inside the GoPro case. So this would sit inside this, like so. I'm not going to shove it all the way in there because it's a pain in the neck to get in there. And then it listens through these little front holes. So I basically have the same setup right there. I don't have the little microphone on the side, but I have the one in the front still. So I can do voice commands on my GoPro Naked 12.